Have you ever seen lacquerware like this before? It's incredibly beautiful, with colors that are bright and vivid. But if I told you these pieces could last for 1,000 years without decaying, would you believe it?
Today, I have come to Fuzhou, a county near downtown Fuzhou. This region is home to many lacquerware factories, and I'm visiting one of the most representative, Taigu Daqi. This factory specializes in handcrafted Fuzhou lacquerware, producing items that are very popular in China and some that are exported internationally. Fuzhou is the birthplace of one of China's most exquisite traditional crafts, Fuzhou lacquerware. In this factory, artisans transform natural materials into stunning works of art, from delicate bracelets to cups, gourds, and decorative sculptures. Each piece is crafted by skilled hands, following techniques that have been passed down for generations. This is Miss He. She's one of the managers of this factory, and today she will introduce the factory's product and their craftsmanship to us.
Hello, welcome to Taigu Daqi. Our factory started in 1897. So today I'm going to show you lots of lacquerware in our gallery. So the first step is this one. In China, we call this one 圣杯. I can show you details. So it's called the moon blocks, and it's related with Chinese culture, also the religion. Do you know the Mazu culture? So if you have something not sure how to do it, should I to do or not to do, then you can use this one. So I'm going to show you. It like this. So you can count 1, 2, 3 like this. So this size means you can try one more time to do it. And then so the moon size like this, this means yes. And then if like this, which means like no, don't do that. So it's really popular in China, in Fujian right now.
It's very interesting.
Yeah, this one is really interesting.
And how long will it cost you to make one of these products?
So for this one, it's gonna take around half year, several months to do just this one.
Just the one product.
Yeah, it's really popular in the Chinese festival. So usually we like take couple months like to prepare those stuff. Yeah.
Okay, the next one.
So next one is gonna be this. Follow me, please. I'm gonna show you the large one. So this one is Chinese gourd. Actually, it's natural gourd. So it's from the natural stuff, and then we to do the lacquerware to do on all the gourd. So the process to make the lacquerware is so complicated. You see, just like this one, it also gonna take half year to make this one, and it's so pretty. We really like to use red color and black color because it's so popular in China, like to do the lacquerware. Many people said like the lacquerware is Chinese luxury. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you the small stuff, and then it's also really popular. That side, all of these gauze. It's many kinds of colors. This one is like green and gold, and this one is the red one. And you can see the white color. The white color is eggshell. So, cause the raw lacquer, it doesn't have any like white color. So all of the white color we use the eggshell. That's why it's all handcraft.
All handcraft.
And also it's cute. This one is the pink color. Yeah, many kinds of colors.
Every product is different.
Yes.
Yes.
Because it's all natural.
Yes. Yes.
So there's no same one. It's all different. Yeah.
These products are very beautiful.
But so why is it so expensive of this kind of product?
Okay, this is a good question. So first, our material is so expensive. All we use the raw lacquer to make the lacquerware, and the raw lacquer comes from the lacquer tree. So the material is really pure and natural. And then the process of the lacquerware is so complicated. So I'm gonna show you many kind of steps. The first step is like sanding. It make the stuff surface like more smoothly. And the second step is like cloth mounting to make like more stable. And then is the putty scraping. So it's gonna make the stuff to be firm. And then the next you can see, wow, this one. So and the next is like painting. We do the decoration, so you can see many kinds of details. We use eggshell shells to do the stuff. And then it's about the polishing is there. So the polishing is the last step. And all of those steps is like one by one, and then the art workers do it again. That's why it's gonna take like half a year to make one artwork.
Even the smallest.
Yes, any artworks, they have like many kinds of layers. At least we have like 30 layers for one artwork.
For one artwork.
As you have already seen, Fuzhou Lacquerware, with a history of over 1,000 years, is celebrated for its beauty, durability, and eco-friendly craftsmanship. Each layer is applied by hand and allowed to dry completely before the next is added. Though labor-intensive and time-consuming, this traditional method gives Fuzhou Lacquerware its depth, rich luster, and timeless elegance. High-quality natural lacquer can last for hundreds or even thousands of years without fading or peeling.
What makes this factory special as a paper? The artisans dedicate their lives to preserving this heritage craft. Their knowledge of materials, techniques, and design is unmatched. Watching them working, it becomes clear that every brush stroke is not just applied lacquer. It's carrying forward centuries of history, culture, and craftsmanship.
Using natural sap and traditional methods makes the production gentle on the environment. Beyond the beauty is a craft that respects nature, tradition, and human skill. Supporting this craft helps keep a unique cultural heritage alive for future generations. This is a source factory, meaning it's directly connected to production. Businesses or collectors interested in selling or source these types of products can contact the factory to purchase directly.
As we leave the factory, it's impossible not to feel inspired by the artistry, patience, and dedication that goes into each piece of Fuzhou Lacquerware. From bracelets to decorative art, every item is a testament to centuries of tradition, refined by hand and heart. If you are also interested in Fuzhou Lacquerware, you can reach out to us to learn more about these crafts and the wide China supply chain. See you in the next one.